This is why you need to understand quantum computing. It's not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology that will redefine the future of computing and problem solving. Ready to unlock the future? Imagine having the power to solve complex problems in seconds, problems that would take classical computers thousands of years. Quantum computing is like science fiction becoming reality. It's a leap into a new era of technology where the impossible becomes possible. Pantheon Space Academy's new book, Quantum Computing Explained for Beginners, makes it all super easy to understand. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, this book is your gateway to the quantum world. First up, you'll learn the basics of quantum mechanics. Think superposition and entanglement without the headache. These fundamental concepts are explained in a way that's easy to grasp, even if you're new to the field. Next, the book breaks down quantum hardware and software, qubits, quantum circuits, and more. You'll get a clear understanding of how these components work together to perform quantum computations. Wondering about the future? The potential applications of quantum computing are vast and varied. Quantum computing could revolutionize cryptography, AI, and healthcare. Imagine unbreakable encryption, smarter AI, and groundbreaking medical discoveries. Plus, there's a quantum toolkit with simulators and apps to get you started right away. These tools will help you experiment and learn by doing, making the concepts even more tangible. No need for a PhD, just a curious mind. The book is designed to be accessible to everyone, breaking down complex ideas into simple, understandable terms. Ready to unlock the quantum world? This is your chance to be part of the next big technological revolution. Grab your copy today and step into the future. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be at the forefront of this exciting field. But what exactly is quantum computing? It's a new paradigm that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways classical computers can't. At its core, quantum computing leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways classical computers can't. This means faster computations and the ability to solve problems that were previously unsolvable. Imagine a world where computations that take classical computers thousands of years can be done in seconds. This is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality with quantum computing. That's the promise of quantum computing. It's a game changer that will impact various industries and aspects of our lives. And it's not just about speed. Quantum computers can solve problems that are currently unsolvable. This opens up new possibilities for innovation and discovery. From optimizing supply chains to discovering new drugs, the possibilities are endless. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many fields. And with Pantheon Space Academy's book, you'll be at the forefront of this technological revolution. You'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to navigate and contribute to this exciting field. So, are you ready to dive into the quantum realm? This is your opportunity to be part of something groundbreaking. Grab your copy today and step into the future. Don't wait. Embrace the quantum revolution now. Thank you.